Hi guys, welcome back to the one another episode of a series of engineering documentaries. In this episode, we'll take a look over the general information and about planning and construction of India's one of biggest road project that is nothing but Golden Quadrilateral. So let's get started. In India, Golden Quadrilateral is a highway network which is 2% of country's road network. But actually it carries 40% of total national traffic and 65% of India's goods, which shows that it is a much utilized highway network for the traffic of goods and passengers. So first let me give you some brief about Golden Quadrilateral project. The Golden Quadrilateral, which is mostly abbreviated as a GQ, is a national highway network connecting most of the major industrial, agricultural and cultural centers of the India. And it forms a quadrilateral connecting the four major metro cities of India, which are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. By this network, some of other important cities are also get connected in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Jharkhand, Haryana and Delhi. The Golden Quadrilateral project is managed and maintained by National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) under the Union Ministry of Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. At 5,846 kilometers, it is the largest highway project in the India and the fifth longest in the world. It is the first phase of National Highway Development Project (NHDP) and it consists of 4 and 6 lane express highways. The project was planned in year 1999, launched in year 2001 and it was completed in the year 2012. So before I going to tell you anything else about the Golden Quadrilateral project, let me clear you the impact of the road infrastructure development over the country. Basically, an efficient road network is essential for a large country like India to maintain the national integration and socio-economic development. As the road infrastructure development also promotes the rapid industrialization through the cheaper and more efficient movement of the goods, people and ideas across the places. As the road infrastructure also affects the flexibility and mobility of the workforce. Now first let's see about the overall cost of the Golden Quadrilateral project. As this project was planned in year 1999, so that at that time initial estimated cost of this project is 60,000 crores Indian rupees and the project was planned to complete by the year 2006. But there were delays due to the land acquisition constraints and disputes with the contractors which had to be renegotiated. So that project delayed and anything gets delayed in the construction project, the cost affect a lot. And as of August 2011, the cost incurred by the Indian government was half of the initial estimate at 30,858 crore rupees. Remaining 8 contracts are also in progress as of August 2011, which were worth of 1,634 crore rupees. However, the whole project was built under budget and in the year 2012, project is completed. Now we'll see about the route of Golden Quadrilateral project. So basically, there are only national highways are used in the Golden Quadrilateral. By NHDP, for Delhi to Agra, the route of NH44 is a part of Golden Quadrilateral. Also, NH19 is a part of Golden Quadrilateral, which was previously referred as Delhi-Kolkata Road, which is one of the busiest road in the country, which has the west end in the Agra and east end in Danukani in Kolkata. For the route of Delhi-Mumbai-Chennai, NH48 is a part of Golden Quadrilateral, which starts from Delhi and terminates at Chennai, traversing through 7 states of India, which are Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Its stretch from Delhi to Mumbai was earlier designated as NH8 and stretch between Mumbai and Chennai was designated as NH4 before all national highways are renumbered in the year 2010. And the last part of the Golden Quadrilateral is NH16, which is one of the major national highway in the country that runs along east coast of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And it was previously known as NH5. So basically, these are all the routes in the Golden Quadrilateral Highway project. So these are some of the cities which are also get connected in between different lakes of Golden Quadrilateral, which also helps these cities in many ways. So these are the length of road networks with respect to the states through which Golden Quadrilateral is passes through. Whereas the longest route in Andhra Pradesh, which is 1014 kilometers, and the shortest in Delhi, which is of 25 kilometers. Now let's take a look over the present scenario of this project in our country. India's road network is the second largest in the world. Hence, road is a main mode of transportation for the goods as well as people in our country. To improve the connectivity between the major towns and cities, national highways, state highways, and the expressways are constructed. This development has tremendously boosted the infrastructure of the India through the Golden Quadrilateral, which is the India's grandstand infrastructure project that takes our country on the road to success. The main benefit of the Golden Quadrilateral Highway is a smooth flow of traffic. It's not only establish a quicker transport network between the major cities and ports, but it allows the smoother movement of the goods and passengers within a country. Also, it facilitates job and industrial development in a smaller towns and allows identifying locations for commencing industrial activities. The ease of transportation on a Golden Quadrilateral has aided in decreasing vehicle operating cost and time. Finally, it has encouraged the economic growth directly and indirectly. Being a huge project, the construction of Golden Quadrilateral was divided into several sections based on the state provinces. Construction contracts for each section were individually awarded. Major contractors involved in the project are Larsen and Turbo, LG Engineering and Construction, Nagarjuna Construction, Consortium of GVK International and BSCPL, Arcon International, Punch Layout, Progressive Construction, ECSB JSRC, B. Sinha and Company, Madhukon Projects, Sadbhav Engineering, KMC Construction, Gujarat Public Works Department, SKC Dosal, MSRDC Mumbai, Skanska Cementation India, Hindustan Construction Company, RBM Pati, Unitech, CIDBI Malaysia, and Pati Bale. Now let's see about the financing for the construction of this project. As it was a central government funded project, the financing for the construction is obtained and it was as 20,000 crore Indian rupees from the taxes on petrol and diesel through the external assistance, rupees 10,000 crores from market borrowings, and 4,000 crore rupees from private sector partnership. So this is all about the financing from where it come from for the construction of Golden Quadrilateral project. Now let's see the benefits of the Golden Quadrilateral project. Golden Quadrilateral provides faster networks between major cities and also connectivity to the major agricultural, industrial and cultural centers of the India. Golden Quadrilateral enables the industrial development and job creation in smaller towns through access to the foreign markets. Farmers are able to transport their produce to major cities and towns for sale and export, and there is a less wastage and spoils. Golden Quadrilateral giving an impetus to truck transport throughout the India, and so that goods are transported easily from one place to another. And because of this highway network, there is a reduction in wastage of agricultural sector and decrease in a vehicle operating cost and time. Golden Quadrilateral has added to GDP, which created efficiencies in transportation, provided jobs and improved rural development through enhanced connectivity. So before I end up to this episode, let's take a look over the major highlights of this project. In January 2012, Government of India declares Golden Quadrilateral Highway project is complete. This highway network is connecting major cities in India, which are in between the legs of Golden Quadrilateral, with the endpoints as Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Whole highway network of Golden Quadrilateral is of 5,846 kilometers long, and it consists of 4 and 6 lane express highways. And last but not least, the Golden Quadrilateral is only 2% of total country's road infrastructure, but actually it carries 40% of total national traffic and 65% of India's goods, which shows that it is much utilized highway network for traffic of goods and passengers in India. Road infrastructure connects the people and it a lot matters in the development of the country as a whole. America's 35th President John F. Kennedy once said, and I quote, "America has a good roads, not because America is rich, but America is rich because it has good roads." And this quote of him is true in the sense as the roads are good, the movement of transportation of goods and passengers is become easy and fast. And also user can save the fuel. So there is an overall reduction in the cost of everything which is transported. And in the sense it boosts economy.